Hello everybody, welcome to Visio training. In the current video we will learn how to create a calendar using the schedule option. Now let's get started. To do so we will go under category. At the extreme right corner there is schedule, and under schedule we have all the time related features available. For this video we are going to use calendar. Once I click on calendar we need to select a blank diagram, then metric units, and then a create. Similar to calendar, it provides me all the features relevant to the calendar. Now let's see what those are. One is month. We can simply drag and drop the month full frame. We just have to mention which month and which year. What should be my first day in the week and the beginning of the week. The language, do I wish to highlight my weekends, and if I want to add a title. When done, press yes, and there it is. Now I have a full-fledged April calendar in front of me with Monday as my start day. Now apart from that, if you are looking for a weekly report, drag and drop the week where it will enter as the start date, the end date, or how many days I want, 8 days, ending. If not, we can mention the formatting directly, and once done, just click on OK, and there it is. We have a weekly report generated. Now all these reports are actually used by the HR team, and they are actually preparing a calendar for the upcoming month for any kind of scheduling for the employees. And then they circulate it at the start of the month. So let's see some additional extras as well. If we are looking for multiple weeks, we can choose multiple weeks, or we can mention the start date and the end date directly. So there's no number of days provided as the earlier one for the weeks. Once done, click on OK. Say, for example, we decide on the 25th, so we have a set of weeks provided. In the future, if you are making your own calendar for the company for the entire year, you can choose thumbnails. Now, thumbnails provide a set of months. Let's say, for example, which month I am looking for. So here I will start with April, and the year, and just add the year. Now, same as before, what is the beginning of the month and so on, and that's it. So there's a small thumbnail provided. And we can create multiple thumbnails as required. Now, if you want to duplicate the current one, simply hold on the Control key, drag it, and drop it just next to it, and there's a new calendar. To change the settings, simply right-click on the calendar, and under Configuration, we can change the configuration setting. Let's go for the next month, which is March, April, May. So let's go for May. So once done, automatically the date within them also changes accordingly. Now what if I want an entire year rather than making one after the other? So we can choose the year, which gives me multiple months in a particular year. 2017, and there it is, from January to December. And if I want to have a replication of 2018 as well, simply drag and drop another one, and that should do it. 2018, and there it is. Now I have 2 years of data, and I just have to highlight as per my requirements. Now say, for example, I have a particular month ready with me, and I wish to highlight my data as appointment, meeting, or so. I will simply drag and drop an appointment as per the requirements. You can drop it anywhere, it does not matter. Wherever you are dropping it on Sunday, the setting appears where we can change the settings as needed. So like, say for example, the timing, the date, the drop down available. So I take for 26th, what is the time? The length, subject, location. Once done, click on OK, and it automatically gets adjusted as per our requirements. So if it's multiple days, you can use the multiple day option and drag and drop it. But do remember, in the multiple date, we have to specify the end date as well. Once done, click on OK. And if you wish to delete it, you don't have to delete each and every event. Just simply select one event and delete. And there it is. The whole event goes off. But if it's a single event, it has to be done manually. Now let's see a small example of the same in the next video.